Okay, quick wiki introduction here. Give you a few ideas of what you can do. I start by logging in at the MBWP site. And this is going to bring me to a page where I'm going to need to find MWP Connect over here on the left. For some reason it makes me log in again. It just makes me click this button. And once I'm here in the connected community, I'm going to go up to my directory up at the top of the page here. And I want to find Meadowbrook, and we're not there, so I'll click on View All. Scroll down, there we are. And you've got your discussion forums and announcements and other things here. I'm going to go to the left here and click on Wiki. And you'll see Marshall's created two wikis for us. The first is the in-service resources for folks who are working on in-service projects, and the other one is for the ISI. So let's go into this page. Now you can either add a page to the main wiki, or you can edit a page within the wiki. And here's how we edit the main page. Pretty much like Word, I'm going to just delete that. And let's say I'm scrolling down and I see, oh, Dave's got some Chicago lyrics here. I bet there's others. Let's create a whole new page for that, or edit a page for that. I'm going to copy those lyrics. I'm not going to cut them just yet in case something goes horribly wrong. I'm going to click Save. And instead of creating a new page, since we've got some dummy pages up here anyway, I'm just going to go in and edit one of them and reappropriate it. So I'll click on Edit. Let's give it a new title for starters, something like Chicago Lyrics. And erase that, and edit and paste. And there's my lyrics. And click Save. And this will have changed both the title and the content of the page. Now let's link to this. I'm going up here into the browser, selecting this link, edit and copy. And I want to link to this from the main page, even though you can get to it on the right hand menu here. Let's just put it on the main page too. This way if Dave goes looking for it, he'll know, oh, Lori made a new page. So I'm inserting Chicago lyrics here. Let's highlight this and link it by finding this little link button and edit, paste, and insert that link. And I'll come back and erase the lyrics later. And if you scroll down, you can double check to make sure your link works. Yep, brought me right to it. Alright, let's go back to the main page and do something else here. So if I want to upload a document or a movie or an audio file, if I go into Edit to edit the page, it's not going to give me a space to do that, to upload a resource on the main page. The only way to do that is to go into this Edit tab here on the left. And there it does give me that option of adding a file or some other type of media. Click on the little green button to add. Find what I want to add, which is a file. And I need to give it a title. Title of the document or the resource. Go in here and browse and find it on my desktop. Open. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to do this now, but is click Upload and publish that. I use wikis quite a bit in my classes, and I'll just show you an example of one. It's a pretty easy way to put together a nice collaborative site for a class. And this is one my digital storytelling students put together, and we just put all of the stories and projects that they did all semester up on this page. And they just added it as we went. So every week they'd create a new movie or a new story, and then they'd link to it. We added some photos of them. There they are, collecting some oral histories. And they put up their own website portfolios that they're required to do. I also use these occasionally with faculty to put together resources. So here's a Writing to Learn wiki I put together with about 4 other faculty in my college. Some suggested assignments, low-risk writing assignments, and now we're on to sort of a 3rd level page here. So a pretty good site if you want to develop material, if you want to publish material, if you want to collaborate on any kind of major project with a small group.